In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legend title in Google Sheets. If you're looking to enhance your data presentation by making your charts clearer and more informative, adding a proper legend title is an essential step. Whether you're working on a simple analysis or a more complex data set, knowing how to do this can make a significant difference in how your data is perceived. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document. Once you're in your spreadsheet, locate the chart to which you want to add or edit the legend title. Go ahead and click on that chart. When you click, you should see options appear that allow you to modify different aspects of the chart itself. Now, pay close attention to the legend on the chart. Double-click on it, and you'll likely find that a sidebar appears on the right side of the screen. This sidebar is the control center for your chart's customization options, and it's where you'll make all your changes to the legend. Moving down the list, you'll see that you can update the description for each item in your legend, starting with the first one. Type in your desired description for item 1, ensuring it succinctly represents the data or category it refers to. After entering your description for item 1, press the Enter key to confirm the change. This will help lock in your update so that you can move on to the next item. Next, proceed to update the description for item 2. Again, ensure that the description is clear and aligns with what you are using this segment of your chart to represent. Hit the Enter key once you've added this second description. It's a rhythm you'll get into quite easily, adding the text, ensuring it's accurate, and then locking it in with the Enter key. Finally, turn your attention to item 3. Repeat the same process as before, updating the description to match the data it corresponds to. Once you have entered your description, press Enter to confirm. This step-by-step approach ensures that each section of your chart is well labeled and easy to understand for anyone viewing it. And that's it. You've successfully added a legend title to your Google Sheets chart by updating each item's description. By following these instructions, you've made it easier for anyone analyzing your data to quickly grasp what each part of the graph represents. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you create clearer, more effective presentations in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit.